Hello everyone. So in last lecture, I taught Spearman rank correlation coefficient. Now in this lecture, we will see concurrent deviation methods to find correlation. So in correlation, four methods: scatter diagram, Curd-Pearson coefficient of correlation, Spearman rank correlation, and then concurrent deviation method. So now we are studying this concurrent deviation method, and this is denoted by RC, and this is the formula. I will explain later because before explaining this formula, we need to understand so many things. So I have this question. For the following data of price and demand, find coefficient of concurrent deviation and interpret your result. So we have data of different years for price and demand of a particular commodity or product. So first task, we will find deviations for price and deviations for demand. So deviations for price, first we are considering this as dx. Suppose this column is x, and if this column is y, then deviation in demand we are considering as dy. So now what is deviation? Deviation is change. So for first location, there is no change because there is no comparison. So first quantity considered as blank, no comparison for first quantity. Now all the quantities are compared with previous one. So first, no comparison, and second item is 95, second price is 95, and this is a increase with respect to this 89. So as this is increased, so we will mark only plus symbol there, and then this 35 decrease with respect to this 95, so we will mark minus. In that way, for increment we will put plus, for decrement with respect to previous one minus. Then from 58 to 58 there is no change, so no plus, no minus, that's why simply we will put what? Equal sign. And now in this 61, this is increased with respect to 58, so we will what? We will write plus. So again for this 78 increases, plus 78 and 78 equal, no change, and this 95 is what? Increased, so this is increased, that's why plus, and this 96 with respect to this 95 increase, so that's why this is what? Plus. Now for this dy, no comparison for first quantity. For second quantity, this is equals to previous one, both are 85, so we will put equal sign. Now this is increased, this 50 is decreased with respect to this 85, so we will put minus, and this 62 is increased with respect to this 50, so plus, and this 45 decreased, 56 increased, then increased, then again increased, then this is equal because 85 to 85 no change. Now this 82 means decrement, this 96 means increment. So these are what? Deviations. Now you need to find concurrent deviation. So for concurrent deviation, this is denoted by C. Now how will you find concurrent deviation? For all same symbol, for pair of same symbol, just like if both the symbols are plus, so you will consider this concurrent deviation as plus. If both the deviations are minus, then you will consider this as also plus. If both are equal, then you will consider this as plus. If the signs are different means suppose this is plus, one is plus, second is minus, or first is minus, second is plus, or this is suppose equal, second is plus, or suppose equal and second is minus, or suppose this is plus and second is equal and this is minus, then this is equal. So we will not consider for all these situations positive, no symbol, or simply we can write minus. So no symbol for this. So for same symbol we will put plus. So in this case, this is first space is blank because there is no comparison. That's why this first is blank. Now second is plus and equal, both are different signs. That's why no need to write any symbol. This is same, minus and minus, so this is plus. This plus plus is plus, again both are minus, so this is considered as plus. This is equal, this is plus, both are opposites, so no need to write. This is same, this is same symbols, that's why plus. And this is what? This is opposite symbol, that's why no need to write any symbol, simply we will write dash dash. And for plus plus we will write plus. So now we will count total pluses. So these total pluses C equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So C equals to 7. Now next thing, how many deviations quantities are there? For a pair, how many quantities of deviations? So we will not consider first one because we can't find change for this first one. So deviations are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So deviation is denoted by K and total observations are N. In this case, there are 11 observations and you are excluding first because of no deviation. That's why this is N minus 1. So in this case, total number of observations are 11 and you are excluding first one because this is not deviation. So K, number of deviations, is equal to what? 10. And after that you will calculate 2C minus K. You will find the term 2C minus K. So 2 into C. C is what? 7 and K is what? 10. So you will get this term as positive term and this is 14 minus 10, that is what? 4. So this is plus 4. Now we will see formula, the form of formula and how to use formula. So formula is this, and in this formula you have term 2C minus K upon 3 and you have symbols plus minus plus minus. Now you need to decide which symbol you will consider as plus, you will consider this symbol plus or minus. So selection of plus minus. So if the quantity 2C minus K is positive, then all the signs are positive. If 2C minus K is negative, then all the signs are negative. So that's why I have calculated first 2C minus K. And for this question, the term 2C minus K is what? Positive. So this means your formula will be what? Your formula for with plus symbol, plus term. So this is what? Plus. This is what? Plus. Now we will put values in this formula. So you will see this as plus, first is plus, then this is what? Under root, and then plus inside this 2C minus K upon a K. So 2C minus K is what? 4 and K is what? 10. So you will see this as plus and this is under root of 0.4. So under root of 0.4, this means you will get this as plus 0.63. Now this RC is positive value. Now we will interpret this result. And we are considering two things, price and demands, and this value is positive. So we will say there is positive correlation between price and demand. Between price and demand. This means if price increases, then demand is also increases. This is what? This is concurrent deviation method. So I hope you understand this concept. So please like this video and subscribe my channel, Ganit Coach. Have a nice day. Thank you.